Okay, to begin, we're going to sweep the entire parking spot and get all the stones and sticks and gravel off. Now that you've swept the entire parking spot, we're going to tape off by taping the current parking spot design that exists. You're going to put the painter's tape right along the edge of the current parking design. This is what your parking spot will look like when it's taped off and ready to prime. You need to have primer that's based on the design color. If you have a light pastel colored or white color background for your design, you're going to use white primer. If you're using dark colors on your parking spot, then you would probably want to use a black primer. It's important that your primer is interior, exterior. It has to have exterior in it, otherwise it will not last. And it has to be water-based. This is the primer we're using today. We purchased it at Lowe's. You can use any water-based exterior primer. This is white. Now you're ready to prime your area. You're going to stay within the green lines or whatever color tape you choose. Just don't go onto the current parking lot that's not taped off. This is what your area will look like when it's completely primed and the tape has been removed. Remember, this needs to be done prior to August 7th if you're going to join us for the painting party on Friday, August 7th. Your area should be primed and dried before you show up that day to paint. If you want to prime that day, that's fine, but it will not be ready to paint that afternoon. You need to pay for your parking spot and you need to have your design in by July 24th. If you have any questions, feel free to email or contact me. I'm at Lawrence most of the summer. Your spot, we have that party on August the 7th, 4 to 7. We'll have food here, we'll have a DJ here. It'll be a lot of fun. All spots must be done, completed by Sunday, August 16th.